Dear students, let's start with word association test on a way to make you understand how to attend with your words. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको शब्दों को यूज करना अच्छे से आ जाएगा, आप समझ सकते हैं, अपने आप को प्रकट कर सकते। As you know, all words are contributive of 20 word positive, 20 negative, 20 neutral. इरादा क्या होता है? आपके व्यक्तित्व को खगालने का। They tend to identify your personality, thus giving you day-to-day words and seeing your reaction. Any odd reaction is a indicator to identify psychological abnormality. कोई भी ऊटपटांग प्रकार का सेंटेंस ये बताएगा कि तुम्हारे अंदर वो साइकोलॉजिकल कोई एबनॉर्मेलिटी शायद है। तो अब आपको समझना है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस। 15 में पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स जॉय। नाउ जॉय वर्ड खुद आपकी दिल को झकझोरने वाला वर्ड है। इट इज समथिंग विच टचेस योर हार्ट एंड यू शुड राइट समथिंग, नॉट स्टैंडर्ड सेंटेंसेस। व्हाई डोंट यू स्पीक फ्रॉम योर हार्ट? If you enjoy something, if you feel joyed, when did you feel joyed? You felt joy, you felt an overjoy, or you felt a feeling of joy when you got good marks in your 12th class, didn't you? So what is wrong in writing that? Why don't you write something where you can express, where you can be yourself? What is wrong? This is psychological test, this is not an English test. याद रखिए, ये अंग्रेजी का टेस्ट नहीं है। आपको कब खुशी मिली वो आप लिख सकते हैं, पर शब्द कोशिश करिएगा आपके हर वर्ड सेंटेंसेस 5 वर्ड से ज्यादा ना हो, नॉट मोर देन 5 वर्ड्स और 6 वर्ड्स। क्यों? व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ यू राइट लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू कंप्लीट इट। मैंने आप लोगों को बहुत सारी थ्योरी पढ़ाई है कि पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स को डार्क, डेफिनेशनल, एसोसिएटिव, रिफ्लेक्टिव, नॉलेज टेंडेंसी से आप सीख सकते हैं, स्ट्रीमलाइन कर सकते हैं। व्हाट इज स्ट्रीमलाइनिंग ऑफ थॉट्स पढ़ाया था। प्लीज गो बैक टू द ओल्ड लेक्चर्स, गो बैक, इट्स देयर। इफ यू विल लर्न, you are going to utilize this energy. Today I am here, tomorrow I may not be. So learn before you lose it. 30 years of training, mentoring has made me enough to teach you how to streamline your thoughts. अपने विचारों को दिशा दीजिए। जानते, खेत में कभी कभी हमारे एक जगह से जहां से मुख्य पानी बांटा जाता है, कई खेतों में डालना होता है, तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? एक पाइप का एक पॉइंट बनाते हैं, वहां पे 4 छेद बना देते हैं और वहीं पे पानी डाल देते हैं, तो चारों जगह चला जाता है। इसी तरह अगर आपके शब्दों के लिए विचार, अगर आप प्लीज इफ यू गो बैक टू द ओल्ड सेशन, you will come across the thought process of generating thoughts, positive thoughts, giving it direction, giving it fluidity. आपको पढ़ाया है डार्क हॉर्स, right? Go back, please listen to that. But anyway, now let's solve these ones so that you can learn. तो joy आपको कब मिली? Don't you feel joy when you go home, when your mother celebrates your birthday? Yes, you do. Birthday is a day of joy. When we celebrate with family, why not? क्यों नहीं लिखा जा सकता है वर्ड? अच्छा सा लिखा जा सकता है। Let it be following through. Next, love. Now at this age where you are going for your job, either two loves I can see prominently. 2 प्यार मैं साफ से देख सकता हूँ, सभी लोग में होगा। एक तो पेरेंट के प्रति प्यार, love for your parents, particularly your mother or your father or your siblings. और दूसरा कंट्री लव ऑल्सो, बिकॉज यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ज्वाइनिंग दी फोर्सेस। तो अगर उस पर आप एक सेंटेंस बनाए, आई थिंक यू विल बी डूइंग गुड जस्टिस इन एक्सप्रेसिंग योर सेल्फ। ना इमेजिन आई एम गिवन अ स्टेज, मुझे एक स्टेज दिया गया है और मैं अपने बारे में कुछ नहीं बताना चाहता हूं, मैं स्टैंडर्ड आंसर देना चाहता हूं। तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि बेवकूफ हूं? बिकॉज वाई एम आई नॉट एक्सप्रेसिंग माई सेल्फ? अपने आप को मैं व्यक्त क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूं? क्यों मैं इतना डरता हूं दूसरों से? वेयर इज द लैक ऑफ आत्मविश्वास? वेयर इज द लैक ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस? वेयर इज द लैक ऑफ ट्रूथ? वेयर इज द लैक ऑफ माई ओन थॉट प्रोसेस? सो इन माई लव, इफ आई लव माई पेरेंट्स अ लॉट, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? गुड सेंटेंस। कंट्री लव is something which we all enjoy and are bonded with, लिख सकते हो. I have a country love and I want to join country service, लिख सकते हो. अब don't copy my sentences dot to dot. अगर आप लोग एक साथ कॉपी करेंगे, आपने भी वही लिखा, आपने भी वही लिखा, आपने भी वही लिखा, तो आप अपना सत्यानाश कर देंगे. Because every person is unique. आप भी बिल्कुल अलग हो दूसरों से. Is it clear? Now we come down to the next word, success. I am sure when you cleared your NDA exam, you must have felt success. When you cleared your FCAT exam, you must have felt success. When you cleared your, form, the serving fellow, then you felt success. So success is dependent on different person differently. I am sure your success, your final success is what? यहाँ पे बैठे हो, what is your final success? Your final success would be when you become an armed forces officer or you get commissioned into the army. So you can write, getting commissioned into the armed forces will be my final success. तो कुछ ऐसे sentences जिसमें अपने दिल की बात आप प्रकट करें, अच्छा रहेगा. साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट है. Don't write bullshit, but write something which is relevant to you. I don't know why you want to talk big things. Whenever I see people, father, they write father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. I don't know why you don't want to let that person be alone peacefully in heaven. Why don't you think of your father? After all, your father is also inspiration. अरे पिताजी का है तो अपने पिताजी की प्रशंसा करो. अब पिताजी आपके दोस्त हैं, वो बताओ जो मन है. साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट है. फ्रीली लिखो, वर्ड्स अच्छे लिखो, सेंसिबल लिखो, कंप्लीट मीनिंग लिखो, पर कोशिश करो शॉर्ट लिखो. बट राइट व्हाट यू रियली फील, नॉट टोटली ऑन योर सेल्फ, बट समथिंग ऑन योर सही इंटायर बायोडेटा विच यू ऑलरेडी रिटन इन PIQ फॉर्म. PIQ के रूप में जो बायोडेटा लिखा उससे मिलता जुलता क्यों नहीं लिखना चाहता? पीस. आज 15 मई है. You know that ceasefire was created few days back with the help of America to restore peace between India and Pakistan. ये सेंटेंस मेरा थोड़ी ना है यार, ये तुम्हारे एक्सपीरियंस का है, ताजे एक्सपीरियंस का. इट इज योर फ्रेश एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? तो ये भी लिख सकते हो. एनी पीस विच यू फील कैन बी रिस्टोर्ड बाय स्ट्रॉन्ग डिफेंस. ये भी हम लोग ने सीखा कि if we really want peace for a long time, we should have strong defense. Yes or no? So you can write. What is wrong in writing that sentence? What do you want to write in that? You want to write of Queen Elizabeth? Do you want to write of Egypt civilization? Do you want to write of Mesopotamia civilization? क्या लिखना चाहते हो? वैट माने जो वर्ड, जो थॉट प्रोसेस तुम्हारे पास स्पष्ट रूप से आता है. और जितना मैं समझ सकता हूँ, as much as I can understand, the present time with the present frame of mind, these thought processes which I am suggesting are coming into your mind. They come into mind. Now you shut it down, go away. That's a different thing. But otherwise they come to your mind. So express yourself. You listen to so many officers. I have seen lots of YouTube videos coming up with different officers, everyone telling an idea. But somewhere in copying them, you have forgotten about yourself. तुम उनकी नकल करते करते अपने को भूल गए यार. There is a boy who's coming from Bangalore and so you coming from Bangalore and you are given a city, what city will come into your mind? Bangalore. And for you who's coming from Delhi, you will think of Delhi city. Someone coming from Fatehpur should think of Fatehpur. Somebody coming from Kanpur will think of Kanpur. I don't understand why you want to generalize it. Why don't you want to write of your own city? I am not saying write negative, but you can write positive of your city. Bangalore is famous for IT, yeah, right? Fatehpur is famous for Manda, Raja Manda. That was Prime Minister Vishwanath Pratap Singh, or VP Singh. He was also from Fatehpur. You remember him? You can write. Kanpur was very famous for Nana Sahib. You want to write on that, right? You think Kanpur is also famous for leather, right? What's wrong? Writing yourself, writing what you feel. Don't pose unnecessary thing. Let your thought flow. And these are normal thoughts which I'm trying to teach you. I'm doing no big favor. I'm raising your common sense. I'm raising your logic. मैं कोई बड़ा काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सिर्फ आपके समांतर आपकी लॉजिक को सतर्क कर रहा हूँ, आपके आत्मविश्वास को बढ़ा रहा हूँ। एक व्यक्ति जिसके आत्मविश्वास परिपूर्ण होता है वो अपने को व्यक्त करता है, he expresses himself. And the person who is not having self confidence, he tends to copy others. He tends to not learn things, but he learns to copy others. Wrong, 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 wrong. Let's get back. Peace, समझ में आ गया? लड़ाई से health. How do you maintain your health? You do running daily? Very good. You go to gym? Very good. So what do? You write it down. I do gym for maintaining my health. I do running is a good exercise for health. Proper diet. Many people are having proper diet, so why don't you want to write a sentence on that? Whatever you like to eat, whatever your parents tell you, you want to say something on that, please. You can also write certain sentences which you can justify. Do you remember that what we had talked about? Karma, mansa, karma, vachana. What is mansa, karma, vachana? मन में जो है वही मेरे शब्दों में निकल रहा है, वही मेरे कर्म निकल रहा है। अब तुम्हारा PIQ चीख चीख के तुम्हारी एक पर्सनालिटी बोल रहा है और तुम पता नहीं कौन कौन सी नॉनसेंस चीजें वैट में लिखते हो, कभी कभी उसी के चक्कर में, नकल के चक्कर में अकल खो बैठते हो। Wrong, wrong, wrong. You really lose it. All of the people try. You got time. Write down. How many words you want? 600. I'll teach you 600. I'll start with 111 and then we'll go down to 600. But you have to write your soul. Don't copy others. Why are you bothering about? Now in the armed forces, there are people working from Nagpur. There are people working from Odisha. Somebody is working from Rajasthan. And I don't understand why do you want to mess it up? Whatever you are, you write. Yes, one thing which is common in you is that you have learned similar guns, similar trajectory, similar battleship. There you can write common things. But again in different language, अपनी language में लिखो जो आपकी अनुभूति हो, observation हो. Are you understanding this? So don't try to become something which you are not. Pseudo answers देते हो, उसके बाद पूछते हो सर select क्यों नहीं हुए? अरे भैया ये confirmatory test है. This is called as confirmatory test. That means they tend to identify are you randomly yourself or you something else. अब there are some people who lack confidence. तो एक बार लिखेंगे काट देंगे, कुछ लिखेंगे नहीं लिख पाएंगे. Now that is wrong. Let your personality flow. Let your thoughts flow. But write something which is sensible. Yes, personality में ego होगा तो थोड़ा restrict कर लो, थोड़ा discipline कर लो. क्योंकि तुम्हें एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रहना है, यू हैव टू वर्क इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, यू हैव टू टेक द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टुगेदर. सो लर्न. सो हेल्थ इज ओके, एवरीबडी इज अंडरस्टूड द वैरायटी. नाउ गर्ल्स दे डू स्किपिंग फॉर हेल्थ. गुड इनफ सेंटेंस. फ्रीडम. नाउ फ्रीडम कम्स फ्रॉम मेनी थिंग्स. देयर कैन बी अ टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो. What is that technical aspect? That India has lately developed the technology for freedom of finances. एक हो सकता है. Second, we got freedom in 1947 standard है. लिखने में क्या बुराई है? भाई मिली तो थी. Yes or no? India fought hard to keep itself safe and sound and kept it free from corona. अच्छा एक और चीज, शब्द freedom dot to dot यूज करना है. क्या उसका प्रारूप चेंज कर सकते हैं? You can write free also. On free में भी आप sentence बना सकते हो. Why? Because the psychologist tells you whatever is your first thought. They don't want the stigma that for the word usage you are deliberately hiding your first thought. पहले विचार को तो freedom में free तो आते ही है. फ्री आता है. कई बार नेगेटिव वर्ड्स में भी ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स भी याद आते हैं, वो भी हम आपको बात करेंगे. पर ये तो समझ में आ गया. यस और नो. अगर आपको फ्रीडम मिले तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, इन माय फ्री टाइम आई बेसिकली मेक स्केचेस, आई बेसिकली डू पेंटिंग. राइट. अब आप बोलोगे सर फ्रीडम वर्ड था, फ्री टाइम. नथिंग रॉन्ग. रैंडम आ रहे हैं वर्ड, आपको अलाउड है फर्स्ट थॉट पे अपनी बात करो. Not with the I approach, but with the general approach. अगर तुम ये कहोगे आई मेक द बेस्ट स्केचेस, तो ये आई अप्रोच हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू मेक आई ऑल्सो मेक स्केचेस, ये तो हम्बल डिक्लेरेशन है अपने बारे में. सिमिलरली, what do you do in free time? I love to do traveling in free days. You can write. Got it? So try to understand you are unnecessarily complicating your whole psychological process. And all these pundits, so-called pundits, P-U-N-D-I-T-S, all these so-called pundits or trainers, maybe somewhere you may be thinking of me also. Many of them are complicating you, and you are unfortunately not identifying that it is your brilliant personality which you have to express in good words. And never write shallow sentences. Shallow sentence, I went there. What does it mean? I went there माने I went there when I was free. क्या लिखा है? कोई भाव है? पूरा सेंटेंस समझ में आना चाहिए. क्या तुम कहना चाहते हो? Yes or no? Getting the point? So you can do that. Next, happiness. Now, what is your plan of happiness? I'm sure success brings you happiness. Yes. Also, what else brings you happiness? जो आपको खुशी देता हो, कोई खुशी का पल, जो चीज. You like playing music? You enjoy music? Music also is a source of happiness for you. You write it. You write novel reading is source of happiness. Please write. Company of family is source of happiness. Please write. Understood? Yes or no? If your father has taught you that your father, you can say my father taught me happiness comes from within. लिख दो. पर हाँ याद रखना, इस प्रकार के कोई भी ऐसे विचार, whenever you write such words, when they will ask you in the interview, you should not contradict yourself. That should be you. So if you write yourself, you express yourself truly, confidently, where is the problem? Where is the problem? What you are, you are saying. Whatever you are not saying. Where is the problem? Don't suppress like a spring. Be free. Write your sentences. The sentence should be complete with a sense. Yes, I always say write 5-6 words का sentence लिखना सीखो. Because this way you can at least express and you can attempt all, if possible. Though if you miss one or two, no issues. But still, if you miss a lot, there may be a problem that they may doubt you are poor in decision making. Even 6, 7, 8, 10, if people have not written, yet they have got selected, as far as my experience of 30 years count. But what was there? जब वो लोग मिस कर गए तो वो बाकी सेंटेंस लंबे थे. So a psychologist could read that the boy wrote a long sentence, thus he missed the other one. But if you write short sentences and you miss many, that means you are hiding, you are not expressing, you are not deciding quickly. There are some people who have done one thing, that they have taken different words and they have written their words randomly and sometimes express themselves freely. अपने पूरी वर्ड में अच्छे से लिखा है, सही सेंटेंस बना लिए है, उसको 10 बार पढ़ा है और चले गए. Though remember, learned words may not come back to your memory there, but the feeling will be the same. So you can do that. Now we come down to kindness. Where do you think kindness should be given? You all, many of you go to the Eidgah, yeah. You go to the masjid, you go to the temple, you also there are few Punjabis who go down to Gurdwara. What do you do there? What do you do there? You help poor people, they are assembled there. So you give kindness, right? So don't you agree that these are the places of worship are also places to serve kindness to poor? What's wrong in this sentence? क्योंकि तुम तो ये देखते हो. याद रखना, when you were born you were a blank slate, but you learned. Who were intelligent, they were very keen observers. They learned from observational learning. They remembered and now today they are expressing freely. Being natural is important. There are some people who believe talking of big things will get them selected. No. Talking fluidly, sensibly is going to get your selection. Talking stupid is going to put a question mark. And talking very big is going to again put a question mark that you're trying to be someone else. So be yourself, but be positively, be sensible. Sensible माने वाक्य अधूरे बेफालतू के नहीं होने चाहिए, कुछ मैसेज देने चाहिए. And don't try to teach students. मतलब don't try to make sentences which seems as if you're teaching others. You are a student yourself. So write what you learned. I tell you one thing, one beautiful tip I am giving you. Write observational learning sentences. What you observed, what you learned. Yes or no? What did you learn from your father? अगर father sentence आए, I learned from my father to not only respect time, elders, but also efforts. क्या शानदार सेंटेंस है भाई. और अगर तुम लोग ने तीनों चीज सीखी है अपने पिताजी से, इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाए बता दीजिएगा. 90% भारतीय बच्चे, whether girl or boy, they all learn these values from the parents. एंड अगर वो ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग में जीरो है तो वो ट्रेनेबल नहीं है, वो फौजी में अफसर नहीं बन सकते. सो वी वांट यू टू कम आउट विद सेंटेंसेस व्हिच एक्सप्रेस ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग. व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड फॉर योरसेल्फ, डोंट टीच अदर्स. दैट इज व्हाई प्रीचिंग सेंटेंसेस आर ऑफन नॉट लाइक टू मच. एक दो लिख दिया. If you write respect elders, it becomes a preaching sentence. But if you say whenever we respect elders' advice, we gain benefit. तो ये आ गया observational learning. It speaks कि तुमने सीखा. Nevertheless, kindness, clear, hope. Now I think hope is something which everyone has. You have hope. You don't you have hope for getting recommended? Or don't you think you will get recommended? So why don't you write that? Simple sentences. I hope to see myself soon in the uniform in the armed forces, of the armed forces. I hope to see myself as an officer soonest possible. क्या गलत है सेंटेंस में? गोली चलेगी, दिल की तो बात है. Yes or no? Hope inspires. Hope is a source of motivation. Hope keeps us alive. बहुत सारे वाक्य बनेंगे. Keep writing, keep rocking, that's it. Prosperity. Prosperity समृद्धि शाही. समृद्ध क्या बोलते हैं? आपकी समृद्धि को prosperity बोलते हैं. That is कि आप लोग कहाँ से? तो how do you get prosperous? How do you get? By hard work. By regular hard work, prosperity is ensured. क्या शानदार सेंटेंस बन गया. इसी को अपनी भाषा में दूसरे तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं. Yes, prosperity is sure to follow consistency. क्या बात है, फिर एक सेंटेंस तैयार हो गया. ऐसे बहुत सारे सेंटेंस जो तुमने सीखे हैं. आपने कभी देखा है कि कोई भी जन टांग उठा के सो रहा है हमेशा प्रॉस्परस रहता है? नेवर. He may be today, but tomorrow he will not. So you have to work hard. You agree? Sincerity, consistency, persistence. Do you agree? So same thing you have to write. I hope you are getting it. Now positive word is sunshine. You know sunshine. चलो इसको scientific sentence बनाते हैं. Sunshine इसलिए important. Many times people used to think that the Western countries are full of glamour. They go down to the beach, they want to enjoy themselves, they look so glamorous. Oh my God, cut that shit out. It is not the truth. The Western countries are less exposed to sun. So whenever there is a sunny day, most of the people, to enjoy maximum sun and to get maximum the vitamin D which you get from the sun, they rush to the beach area. That is why they go there. But unfortunately, our movies have tended to glamorize it. It's not the truth. The truth is that sunshine is important for our existence. It is important to check the carcinogenic, whatever the I'm missing the word, cancerous word which we have, right? So we have to kill those germs, carcinogenic, right? Huh? Carcinogenic, right? Carcinogenic elements, yes or no? इसीलिए तो sun चाहिए. So you can write in sunshine. Sunshine is a blessing for our health. Don't you agree? Right? Right. If you want to take it in a poetic language, then you can say knowledge is sunshine for the world. Why not? You can say that. India has been known as the teacher and sunshine for the world. You can write. Next, you get down friendship. Now go back to your memories, go into your subconscious, you value it, you learn from the school, from your other places that friendship is like multiplying hands of strength, right? What's wrong? You enjoy good friendship with 4 or 5 very good close friends, right now? All you have to do is be yourself there in such words so that you can prove it later. Next, there is a word gratitude. Do you think you should be thankful? Whom should you be thankful to? All of you. Parents? Yes, you should be. So gratitude towards parent is important and we should do duty for them. Likh sakte ho, but you can also say that I feel strong gratitude for my parents and for my teachers. What's wrong? So many people express because naturally you learn from there. Guru Gobind Dau khade kahan ke lagu paए. बलियारी गुरु आपने या पेरेंट्स को भी उस लेवल पे लाया जाता है. यस और नो? माता पिता तुम्हें वो माता, च पिता तुम्हें तुम्हें बंधु. Am I right? All these values which you have learned, even for the in the Islam also there's a lot of this thing. Even in Gurdwara thing it is also worshipped. So what's wrong? Why don't you want to write that? Gratitude. You know, if you don't have gratitude, अगर thankfulness नहीं है, तो क्या होता है? अगली बार मदद नहीं मिलती. So you won't be able to create a banyan tree of success. You land with having a palm tree which will die very soon. But banyan tree 1,000 years. So learn to have gratitude. Learn to be thankful to everyone. Express humbleness, gratitude. आप लोग की शिक्षा का सबसे पहला पार्ट है विनम्रता और धन्यवाद. अगर नहीं आता तो आगे आपका पेड़ ज्यादा दिन नहीं चलेगा. So gratitude is a lesson which you must have learned. Strength. Now strength, communication strength, body strength, thinking strength. These are 3 different areas where you can write upon. The strength of thought multiplies with thinking exercise, or we become stronger with more thinking. We make a strong plan by deep, what do we call that? Brainstorming. है ना, दिमाग को जब चलाते हैं कि क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. We come up strength. Strength of country is by its unity. Right? Normal sentences. India proved its strength by S-400. क्या बात है. India proved its strength by its S-400 army strength. India has to multiply its military strength to protect itself from the nations in the neighborhood. All these things can be written. Now we come down comfort. I think for all of you will agree that the most comfortable place for everyone is their home. Don't you agree? Your own bed, your own table, your own chair. So you can write. I experience comfort when I'm at my home. Right? Or you want to write, for a hero there is no comfort, duty is the comfort. अब बड़ी बातें कर रही है, 1-2 चलेगी, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं देना. Don't give so much कि we have to take की पतंग को नीचे लाओ. Write few sentences, but that should be your belief system. There are many people who use big talks to prove themselves they are superior and they should be selected in officer. Remember, braggadocios are not genuine people. What do you mean by braggadocio? बड़बोले कभी भी genuine नहीं होते. बड़ी हर समय अपनी प्रशंसा करने से आपका चयन नहीं होगा. आपकी क्रियाएं, आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग, योर जेन्युइन पर्सनालिटी विच यू ऑलरेडी रिटन इन PIQ, उसको लेके आप सेंटेंसेस बनाइए एंड बी योरसेल्फ, हैव पॉजिटिविटी, मस्त रहिए, नेगेटिव वर्ड मत डालिए अपने सेंटेंसेस में. Every time you should be ready with your positive. Just a second, let me put this fellow to silence. Okay, getting the point? Yes or no? So, आ गया harmony, समझ में आ गया? Comfort, harmony. Harmony again means peace. Now look at one thing which I want to teach all of you. Harmony और peace एक ही प्रकार का वर्ड है. अब 2 बार क्यों दिया गया इन्होंने? इसलिए क्योंकि कंसिस्टेंसी आपकी चेक कर रही हूं. इधर कुछ बोल दिया आपको, उधर कुछ बोल दिया. अच्छा, आप में से कुछ लोग सोचेंगे आई हैव टू राइट डॉट टू डॉट सेम सेंटेंस. नो, यू आर सपोज टू राइट सिमिलर थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, बट सेंटेंस डजंट हैव टू बी द सेम. एक सेंटेंस नहीं होना है. क्लियर? नॉट क्लियर? राइट. देन वी कम डाउन टू विक्ट्री. नाउ इंडिया गॉट विक्ट्री लेटली इन अ वे, or India also won the victory in the cricket match. If you are a cricket player, if you are from basketball, and if you remember any place where some team came for, right? Because that memory, your subconscious, they want to find out your conscious, subconscious. In the sense, they want to go down deeper. That is why they are giving you. ये गेम क्यों हो रहा है वैट का? Please think. They are rapidly giving you day-to-day sentence so that they can get your inner matter out. Let your lava from the core of your earth come out. And when they will give you less time, there is a full chance कि तुम्हारे मन की बात तुम निकाल दोगे, क्योंकि जल्दी जल्दी लिखना है. अब आप में से कुछ लोग बड़े होशियार है, बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं, टॉक बिग थिंग्स, एंड दे ट्राई टू प्रिटेंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द साइकोलॉजिस्ट दैट दे आर वेरी गुड. Do you think they will agree with it? No. You know, 2 things are already shouting in front of them. 1, your PIQ. 2, your SDT. And the 3rd thing which is shouting in front of them is you. When you go for the interview or you speak. तो इसलिए 3 चीजों से ही मिलता जुलता करिए. I always say SSB is one of the easiest tests and one of the difficult tests. अब आप SSB में बनावटी बन के जाते हो, आप सोचते हो कि वो लोग आपको आराम से सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे, आप अच्छे दिखोगे. बहुत पुअर चांस. The SSB officials, thanks to the DIPR, that is Defense Institute of Psychological Research, are there with tank full of water. वो पानी मुंह पे डाल डाल के तुम्हारे ऊपर जितना पाउडर लगा है, क्रीम लगी है, सब धो डालते. They identify the true you. So don't try to be pretentious. Be you. You have time, nothing great. All these pundit talks are unnecessary. Talk this, talk that, don't write should. Why you should not write perhaps, should, probably? Why? अरे भैया, इसकी एक लॉजिक है. जब आप should, perhaps, maybe, probably यूज करते हो, can यूज करते हो, you show doubt in your sentences. That is why people tell you don't use this, because the moment you write that, the psychologist feels you are not writing, you are writing with a doubt. They want clear-cut thought process. समझ में आ गया? That is it. Come on, now let's go further. Strength, comfort, harmony, victory. Victory, you can talk. Beauty. What is beauty to you? The girls will say, when I wear a very good dress, I look beautiful. No, beauty is a resort where, you know, people feel very comfortable, people feel very attracted, people feel this thing. अगर आप लोग ये लिखते हो India has won many beauty contests, चलो factual sentence चलेगा. But if you really feel my mother is most beautiful for me, चलेगा. आत्मा की बात. Indian gods statues are always very beautiful and attractive. चलेगा. Right? पहलगाम अभी जहाँ पे घटना हुई, वो is a beautiful place. चलेगा. Now what are you doing? You're writing natural sentence. When you write natural sentences, in between 1 or 2, no issues. Everything doesn't have to be for quality. No. What you freely feel, write. Next, inspiration. Now this is a very important word. Why? Because inspiration for different people is different things. Now I hope you're paying attention. Inspiration is, backbencher please, I hope you pay attention that the inspiration is different for different person. And this is a word which they have in between put, बीच में डाल दिया है. It's a star word. In a star word माने कुछ important word होते हैं. अब उन्होंने पूछा whom do you think is your inspiration? यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा है, इंटरव्यू में कुछ बताया है. Now start clapping, your recommendation is cancelled. Because if you are inspired by something, it will be in your subconscious mind because this is a very strong thought process. तो अगर आपने लिखा है my inspiration is my father and so and so, if they ask you in the interview, your answer should be also similar. Why not? क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? बताओ लॉजिक क्या है? The logic is, so you are, so you look, so you speak. So here, is it clear? Now we come down to achievement. You must have done some achievement. I'm sure you must have won debate, you must have done dramatics, you must have been school captain, or you must have got good academic score, you must have got good science project. Whatever is your achievement, you can say, yes, I scored an achievement in my school, on my behalf of my school. जो भी किया, यहाँ पे वो चीज याद आनी चाहिए. अब सर वहाँ गए थे तो पूछा गया अचीवमेंट, तुम भूल गए. Why? You are you. Why did you forget? Clear, not clear? So I hope these words are clear, or positive words. I'm trying to make it clear in see how much information they are telling about you. If you don't know how to express about yourself, look how much opportunity you are missing. Let's go further to learn about the other words. Now these are negative words. You know negativity kills a personality. Negative thoughts kills people. They make a living man dead. नकारात्मक विचार एक जिंदा आदमी को मार डालते हैं. It is true. Anger, do you think it's a good emotion? No, it is not. If you are mindful, you will be less angry. But if you are mindless, you will be more angry. Because you will have no solutions. अब रास्ते में पत्थर पड़ गया, आप कुछ कहीं जाना है, तो गुस्सा आ जाएगा कुछ गधों को, और कुछ को आ जाएगा यहाँ से नहीं वहाँ निकल जाएगा. तो जो लोग पॉजिटिव होंगे उनको एंगर कम आएगा, वो सोल्यूशन फाइंड करेंगे. और जो लोग नेगेटिव होंगे उनको एंगर जल्दी आएगा, बिकॉज दे विल फील द फ्रस्ट्रेशन. सो एंगर इज अ नेचुरल फिनोमेनन, बट फॉर अ वाइज less rare phenomenon. You know anger kills wisdom. Yes, can be written. Angry people miss opportunities. You can write because you're not talking of yourself, you're talking about the others ones. जो ऑब्जर्वेशन लर्निंग में तुमने देखा कि गुस्से वाले लोग अपने अच्छे खासे चीजों को बर्बाद कर देते. They spoil their thing. You can write. Yes or no? अभी lately पहलगाम इशू में what happened? Indians were angry on the innocent killing of Pahalgam. लिखा जा सकता है sentence, because this is something which you observed, didn't you? So you've written something which is written, it's okay. Next, fear. I have told many a time, you can always write of fear, you can also write of fearless. मैंने क्या कहा था? शब्द में जो चीज पहले समझ में आए, it is not mindful कि word को dot to dot use करना. Fearless performs best. India has shown a fearless spirit in this Operation Sindoor. लिख सकते हो. Fearlessness makes us victorious. लिखना चाहते हो लिख सकते हो. Yes or no? Fearful dies 20 times. बिल्कुल सच है. जो डरा सो मरा. Right? Understood? अब आप में से कुछ लोग लिखना चाहते हैं that my teacher taught me how to overcome examination fear. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है भाई, क्योंकि सच बात है एग्जामिनेशन फियर में आपको आना चाहिए हाउ टू ओवरकम इट। यस, नो, क्लियर। नेक्स्ट, पेन। पेन पे आया, आपको मालूम है पेन के इतने सारे, आप लोग अगर प्लेयर्स हैं, यू मस्ट हैव प्ले सीन आयोडेक्स, you must be knowing of Volini, you must be knowing of Move. These are all normal ointments which you use for pain removal. Yes or no? Understood? For bigger operation, what is used? Anesthesia. Anesthesia is removed, is used in bigger operation to reduce pain. Am I right? You can write such observational sentences also you can write. Negative word में जबरदस्ती I feel pain always, I feel this is not to be written. If you are a positive person, do you indulge in negative things? I think not. You should not. You are young blood. आप नौजवान बच्चे लोग हो, नौजवान हो, आपको इतना हर चीज में दर्द डर नहीं होना चाहिए. Very important. So remove that. Is it clear? Yes or no? Now we come down to war. इंडिया पाकिस्तान में कितनी लड़ाई होगी? दैट कैन बी रिटन बिकॉज इट्स अ फैक्चुअल सेंटेंस, ऑब्जर्व किया हुआ. अब आप लोग ने ये भी देखा, इन वॉर प्रोपेगेंडा एंड मीडिया रोल ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू बिल्ड द मोरल. बिल्कुल सही है, बहुत सही सेंटेंस है, ये सच है. यू हैव टू डेवलप दैट. देयर आर डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ वॉर. स्टेज नंबर 1, स्टेज नंबर 2, स्टेज नंबर 3, स्टेज नंबर 4, ऐसे करके आगे ले जाते हैं. We are lucky that we have stopped the war. You know that Kirana Hills, there is something fishy there, but something has happened. That is why suddenly US, after saying carry on, came down to stop please. You know it. You know the controversy. You know what has happened. That initially US was with the favor, with the statement that okay, you guys carry on, enjoy your war. And then suddenly came back, no, please stop. There is something fishy, there is something more serious that meets the eye. So that is true. That is why the war has come down. So you can write down Indo-Pakistan war, ceasefire issued in Indo-war, वो भी ले सकते हो. Is it clear? अब आप war को आप बोलने लगे, war is dangerous, war is painful, ये negative thought है. अरे बहादुर आदमी है भाई, फौज ज्वाइन करना है, हम डरते नहीं हैं. यस, वॉर शुड बी, आपकी सोच होनी थी वॉर के प्रति, वॉर शुड बी फॉट व्हेन नेसेसरी. लड़ाई लड़नी चाहिए जब जरूरी हो. डोंट बिकम फॉरगिव अदर्स, डोंट फाइट. व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू गेन? इंडिया adopted this approach, lost Tibet, then they lost Arunachal Pradesh, then they lost Pakistan occupied Kashmir and other areas. How much you are going to plan to lose? Your own house? Wake up. So war is something very necessary. ये approach होनी चाहिए. Girls, boys, everyone. If you say war is dangerous, war should not be fought, don't join army. Please don't join the armed forces. Stay in home and take manjira and enjoy it, rather than saying this. This slip of tongue can cost you your SSB. Next, failure. What do you think failure is? Failure every time teaches you something more. Yes, India faced failure sometime in sending the satellites, but it never stopped and finally succeeded. Talk about that. लिख सकते हो उसको. तुम्हारे को लगता है कि I faced failure twice, but then I never gave up and I won this time. बोलना चाहो, बता दो अपने सच की. वैसे भी ये साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट कन्फेशन बॉक्स है, पॉजिटिविटी का, नेगेटिविटी का नहीं. नेगेटिव लेसन से कुछ सीखे हो तो बोल लो, पर रोने धोने के लिए नहीं है. डोंट क्राई, डोंट कर्स द वर्ल्ड, कम आउट एज अ चैंपियन. दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट. देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर गिविंग नेगेटिव वर्ड्स एंड देन दे स्टार्ट क्राइंग. They start, I feel fear, I have a lot of pain, I hate wars. They start crying and then they say, sir, I did not get selected. Why did I not get selected? Cry baby, cry. Stay home and cry. But while writing, write something which is genuine. Yes or no. So understood this? Clear? Failure कहाँ पे तुमने क्या किया था, तुमने कैसे उसको overcome किया, how you used better plan to overcome failure, you want to write, right? Sickness बीमारी, अरे बीमारी छोटी देर के लिए होती है. If we keep ourselves physically fit, sickness doesn't come, ये भी लिख सकते हो. Regular exercise checks sickness, क्या बात है. Right, there are many boys who write good sentences and they are short and crispy, good strong belief, and they believe in it also. लिख सकते हो. सी सिकनेस, आपने कोई फैक्चुअल सेंटेंसेस भी बीच बीच में लिख लिया. सी सिकनेस कॉज्ड बाय सो एंड सो, या स्लीपिंग सिकनेस कॉज्ड बाय सी फ्लाई. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं आप जिसको लिखना चाहें. लॉस, डू यू थिंक देयर इज अ लॉस? यस, लॉस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी हैपेंस इन वॉर, नॉर्मल चीज लिख दी. या लॉस, हार्ड वर्क एंड रीजनरेशन इज द वे टू सॉल्व इट, वो लिख सकते हो. अपना कुछ बता सकते हो. आई वंस लॉस्ट माई कीज एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आई लर्न टू कीप इट प्रॉपरली. व्हाई नॉट? यू कैन राइट दिस सेंटेंस. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? अब बोलोगे सर लॉस से आपने लॉस्ट बना दिया. अरे चलेगा यार, वी कैन ऑलवेज गेट द फीलिंग, रिटन इट डाउन. नेक्स्ट, हेट. नाउ व्हाट डू यू डू विद हेट? स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस, very very strong emotions. Not at this age, you should not hate anything. Yes or no? But there are some people who hate Indians. Who? Pakistanis. They have been taught by their leaders hate India policy. So if you want to write that hate India policy is breeded in Pakistan, कोई गलत नहीं. Yes or no? एक और ऑब्जर्वेशन आप क्लियरली देख रहे हो, क्योंकि years of warfare, that is Palestine and Israel. Right? Palestine hate Jews. कौन सा गलत है? सेंटेंसेस में बीच बीच में फैक्चुअल सेंटेंस लिखने में कोई खराबी नहीं. बट नॉन से पर्टिकुलरली नेगेटिव वर्ड में अपना दर्द रोना गलत है, पर नॉर्मल ऑब्जर्वेशनल ठीक है. और भैया दर्द क्यों रो रहे हो? तुम्हें खुद बहादुर हो. यू आर यंग पीपल, पॉजिटिव पीपल. वेयर इज द फियर? वेयर इज द क्राइंग? छोटी मोटी चीजें वो बता सकते हो, बट नॉट बिग, बिकॉज दैट विल ओनली कॉम्प्लिकेट योर मैटर. सैडनेस. नाउ व्हेन डू यू फील सैड? देयर आर सम पीपल हु फील सैड एवरी डे, एवरी पॉइंट, एवरी मैटर. देयर आर सम पीपल हु फील सैडनेस व्हेन दे लूज देयर close dear ones, particularly grandfather, grandmother. Somebody has lost their father also and mother also, so they can write. Yes, यहाँ पे अपना natural है. Understood, not understood. There are times when unfortunately, you remember in Wayanad, what is in Kerala, there was a tragedy. A lot of people died. A lot of people also died in some of the accidents. So you can equate it. It was saddening to see this landslides in Wayanad. What's wrong? Yes. Next, grief. Grief क्या होता है? दर्द होता है, दुख होता है. So you can go down to whatever you feel. Yes or no? You will find that when people are buried, then people grieve. There are different practices. Some people believe in crying. Some people believe in keeping silent. Some people wear black clothes to express their grief. Some people wear white clothes to express their grief. Yes or no? They are all symbolic. I hope you also know that flag is kept half-mast to show that the nation is in grief. जब कोई उनका proper bigger political leader गुजर जाता है, so then half-mast flag is there. That also is to indicate grief. Next, stress. Now stress is something which at your age we don't expect. We believe in you that you are people with strength, people with stamina. So this thing should not come into your mind only. I mean, I feel a lot of stress during exams. Why? Where do you feel? That means you have not mentally evolved yourself. Yes or no? If you say What do you want? You want to write physics? Good, very good sentence. You want to define stress as a matter of physics? Do it. But if you define stress in terms of psychology, you are doing a grave mistake. They may think that you feel stress. And if you are inviting that question, you have to brave that question. You will have to face that question. Is it clear? तो अगर आप स्ट्रेस में एक फिजिक्स का कोई चीज लिखते हो कि दिस इज दी थिंग, देन नो प्रॉब्लम्स. बीच में इधर उधर लिख सकते हो. व्हेन आई गिव माय एसएसबी आई विल रोज फ्यू सेंटेंसेस ऑन मूवीज, on games, on my observation of the outer world. But I also wrote many things about myself freely, what I felt. I feared none, I talked nothing wrong, I talked sensible in right words. Next, guilt. Now this is again a negative word. Do you suffer with guilt? You know. If you are not, then you must be remembering that in court, who's punished? The guilty is punished by the court. Guilt is proven by the evidences. वो भी लिख सकते हो. Factual, observational, learning sentence. Loneliness. Why these words? आप में से कुछ ऐसे होंगे जो बड़े दुखी हैं, अकेले हैं, उनके मन में लोनलीनेस है, बीच में इसीलिए डाल दिया है ताकि तुम तुरंत इस पे उचक जाओगे. You will immediately spark off. So if you don't suffer with loneliness, then why are you going to overreact? Yes or no? Where is loneliness common? Sometimes we find parents who have no children, and when old parents with no children suffer loneliness. क्या गलत बोला यार? Yes or no? So they should be given. What do you believe? Old age homes can remove loneliness? Write it down. What a lovely sentence. Or community living can remove loneliness of many people. Community माने समुदाय में रहना, लिख सकते हो. Next we come down poverty. Countries which are suffering poverty, what do they need? Industry. They need opportunity. They need innovativeness. They need support. इतने तो sentence बन गए. Poverty is removed by efforts and creating opportunities. लिख दो. Mismanagement by Bangladesh has put Bangladesh into a poverty state. क्या गलत लिखा है? Same thing पाकिस्तान के लिए भी कहा जा सकता है. Where does poverty come from? We have limited resources, we have good resources, but some people snatch away. Mere 1% takes away 90% prosperity. That is why poverty walks in. Next, rejection. You know, you must, like for example, there are repeaters, right? So what did they happen? They got rejected. And what happened after that? They came with more energy. So if you want to say that my first SSB rejection was source of more inspiration, what's wrong? After all, that fact is coming out in your PIQ. सामने दिख रहा है. Yes or no? Rejection for wrong causes creates injustice. ये भी आप लिख सकते हो. सेंटेंस बनते हैं. नेक्स्ट, डेथ. नाउ डेथ अगेन फिलॉसफी में लिखने लगोगे. डेथ इज फाइनल ट्रूथ ऑफ लाइफ. डोंट यू थिंक इन सेंटेंसेस लाइक डेथ इज फाइनल ट्रूथ ऑफ लाइफ, इट इज अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, नकारात्मक सेंटेंस. इसमें दर्द है, इसमें एक नेगेटिव फीलिंग है. डोंट यू थिंक सो? सो व्हाई आर यू राइटिंग दैट? डेथ ऑफ रेयर स्पीसीज विल डिस्टर्ब इकोलॉजी, लिखा जा सकता है. Sudden death is a rule of football, लिखा जा सकता है. हाँ या ना? Death of different species is disturbing. Climate also, climate changes. जो भी आपको लिखना है लिख सकते हो. Next, betrayal. Betrayal, आपने किया किसी को धोखा. Did you know? Where do you think what has happened? Pakistan has had a long history. And if you write any sentence that Pakistan has regularly betrayed the entire globe or suddenly betrayed India, तुम कोई गलत नहीं बोल रहे हो. ये तो सबकी जुबान पे है सेंटेंस. दिल में भी, जुबान पे, ऑब्जर्वेशन में भी है। यस और नो? अब तुम बिट्रेयल में ये दिखाना चाहता है वो बिट्रेड विद माय फ्रेंड, दैट मीन्स यू आर इन सॉरो, यू डू नॉट हैव द मैच्योरिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड, दैट इज नॉट बिट्रेयल, दैट इज नॉट बिट्रेयल। वो धोखा थोड़ी ना है, धोखा लंबा होता है। अगर छोटी छोटी बात को धोखा देख समझते हो आप, if you think small things betrayal, let me tell you, you need to mature before you join the armed forces. But that also does not mean that you deny your words, it also means that you use it. Clear? Next comes jealousy. Now this is a very negative word, because jealousy is one of the negative word which one sparks off. It burns one person also, it burns anybody sitting next also. We have Pakistan as a jealous nation of us, jealous neighbor for no reason. And jealousy kills not only the person but also the others because they behave bad. ये बात सच है. Understood, not understood. So अगर आपको कोई नेगेटिव, मैंने आप लोग को एक तरीका बताया था, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव चीज को नेगेटिव से जोड़ दिया, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस बन गया. अरिथमेटिक में रूल है. Enemies have jealousy which needs to be understood and countered. क्या गलत बोला यार, दुश्मन में होती है. So you can say Pakistan also has rage. Rage माने होता है गुस्सा. Now you may be annoyed, right? आपने वो देखा होगा बुल देखा, रेजिंग बुल. रेजिंग बुल comes with double power. स्पेन की वो एक लड़ाई होती है, बुल फाइटिंग, जिसमें मैटाडोर्स एंड द बुल्स फाइट. हैव यू सीन दैट? वहां पे रेजिंग बुल बहुत आता है. दे यूज रेड क्लॉथ टू फर्स्ट गेट द बुल एक्साइटेड एंड देन दे गो अवे. हैव यू सीन वीडियोस? उन सब के वाक्य लिखे जा सकते. अब आप ध्यान दीजिए, रेज और एंगर शुरू में मिला, रेज बाद में मिला, एक दूसरे को चेक कर रहे भाव को. नेक्स्ट लास्ट इज एंजाइटी. अब एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस देखिए, सिमिलर वर्ड डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, सिमिलर मीनिंग डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. एंजाइटी, हेल्दी एंजाइटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट बट टू मच इज नॉट, राइट? whenever we are close to results, good results, little anxiety is there. लिख सकते हो, right? Positivity also gives little anxiety. Nothing wrong. So you've learned how to handle these words. Now let's come down to neutral words. Neutral words इसलिए दिए जाते हैं ताकि आप हर चीज को बनावटी लिखने के बजाय अपने दिल की बात भी लिखें. टेबल. अब इसमें राउंड टेबल याद आती है यार, राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस, यस और नो? या फिर अपनी स्टडी टेबल. माई स्टडी टेबल इज वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड विद बुक्स इन वन साइड एंड लिख सकते हो, यस और नो? माई फादर सेज स्टडी टेबल, जो सीखा वो भी लिख सकते हो, सो दैट यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एवरीवन एंड यू आर राइटिंग व्हाट यू वांट. Yes or no? Table is a position for. अब ज्ञान देने लग गए, we should always do this. Don't write what you feel like. Okay, window. Again, there are two windows will come into your mind. One, the house window, and the second, computer window. So if you want to write on computer window, you can write. Windows is a great program by the Microsoft. Yes or no? आजकल कौन सा वर्जन चल रहा है वो बता दो. Am I right? Similarly, you can write window creates ventilation and thus makes fresh air come inside. Normal चीजें भी लिख सकते हो. Observational learning. I am again saying observational learning is an intelligent person's characteristics. You know, I got Die and I wrote about Die Hard series. I had seen Die Hard movie. I got Love and I remembered Love Story because I read a lot of novels. Love Story, a great novel written by Eric Siegel. और author का नाम भी लिख दिया जाओ. So whatever was coming fluid. I am not trying to pretend something big. And I am not talking my example, I am talking of numerous examples. Now already we have got 1,000+ stories. So where does it come from? Some sweater? It comes from your efforts. Next, pen. What kind of pen you use? Ballpoint pen? Write a story of ballpoint pen. Which brand you like? I remember I was very fond of Reynolds. I was also very fond of Schaefer. It's an American brand. I remember that. I used to like that. There was one Pilot, that pen also with a very nice needle. Yes. So all these pen I wrote on that, and it can be written. You can even write on pen drive. Pen drive has now bigger capacities. Rapidly neutral में observational learning. रोड, अब रोड है, roads need to be well, crossroads needs to be well monitored. क्या गलत बोल रहे हो? चौराहे में आग फाड़ के थोड़ी चले जाओगी. You have to watch both side. In crossroad आप बोलोगे सर रोड लिखा था, अरे क्रॉस रोड भी आ जाएगा दिमाग में यार. रोड सेफ्टी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. रोड में अब नाउ यू विल से सर रोड में क्या डर के चलना. अरे भैया, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट फियर, बट आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट फूलिशनेस. अलर्टनेस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. चेयर, नाउ चेयरमैन भी होता है. हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा? Want to write down? You want to write of chair? Understood? Whatever, plastic chairs are becoming more common. Nothing wrong. You have observed that fiber chairs are economical as well as good. You want to write that down. You want to write chair is a position of responsibility. बिल्कुल सही बात है. अगर आपको एक कुर्सी में एक जिम्मेदारी दी जाए तो that is also chair का एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मीनिंग, पोजीशन ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी होता है. यू कैन राइट. इफ यू हैव बीन चेयरपर्सन भी होता है. बुक, द वन बुक विच हैज टच्ड यू. इफ यू हैव रेड एनी गुड बुक, आई रेड सो मेनी नॉवेल्स, दे केम इनटू माय माइंड, आई रोट देम डाउन. एनी बुक विच हैज इंस्पायर्ड यू, you can write that down. Cloud. Now today, you all people, being the people from Gen Z, you will remember cloud space. You know that few servers are giving you cloud space. So you can say that a lot of digital material can be safely secured in cloud space. Yes or no? So you can write what's wrong. Paperweight, you must be using. We use mobile to control the paper from flying in the fan. Normal sentences. Paperwork is important for proper organization. होता है कि नहीं paperwork? लिख सकते हो. Clock, अपनी clock is our best friend which keeps us in time. Lovely sentence. घड़ी तो आपको दौड़ाती है. Yes or no? Tree, banyan tree lives for years. It's perennial and best for plantation. लिख दो यार. कुछ तो आजकल plantation सीखते हो आप लोग सब. So write about it. Then we have bag. What kind of bag you think? What is the importance of bag? Now for a student, for a experienced person, for a person who is really working, bag, he uses bag very importantly. He uses it to keep all the things properly in one place. Am I right? You must be, by now as a student, as a traveler, you must have become very used to good bags. And you must have started learning that a bag with few compartments is very, very handy. Laptop रख लिया, book रख लिया, कपड़े भी रख लिए. Yes or no? So if you want to write bag with compartments are very, very useful. Lovely sentence. Yes or no? Car. You think of only Mercedes, please stop it. Please stop it. Don't waste your hard-earned money. You should be wise. You should not be otherwise. आपको बुद्धिमान होना है, otherwise मत होइए. There are some people who are crazy about brands, but there are some people who are sensible. So car should be used for proper this thing. And car should be economical also, not very this thing. But a poor mileage there, liye pade, dodaye pade, that's wrong. Got it, not got it. Or whatever your car, jo tumhare ghar mein car hai, I have a so and so car, which we use as a family car. You want to ride, right? Or you want to say SUV is a good car for the complete family, whatever SUV which you really like. Door, now you're talking about doorbell you can write. In my house, I have an iron door for security purpose. क्या गलत है यार? Now you will say, sir, बता देंगे सब चीज तो चोर ना आ जाए. अरे भैया, nothing related. It's yourself. Then you come down light. You know that proper light should be there. Proper lighting is important. Your father must have taught you that proper lighting on the table is important for your eyes. Yes or no? We use blue screen to protect our eyes from negative lights. हाँ, गॉगल्स में भी अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस के लिए अलग होता है, वो भी यूज कर सकते हो. स्टोन, नाउ स्टोन इज व्हाट? स्टोन इज जनरल पत्थर. You want to write geography? Please go ahead. Igneous rocks are very solid. You want to write that? Nothing wrong in writing it. Understood, not understood? You can write. Okay, stone में ये भी लिख सकते हो. And you also say in Hindus worship Lord Shiva, the round stone of Lord Shiva. They believe, they worship the round stone idol of Lord Shiva. You want to write, you can do that. You want to write about some stone place, quarry where you know that diamond were found. You want to write, right? River, you want to write of Ganga if you are in Kanpur, wonderful. You want to write of Yamuna if you stay in Delhi, wonderful. You want to write of Adyar if you stay in Chennai, wonderful. There's nothing wrong, because that river will come into your mind. Staying in Kerala, you will not think of Brahmaputra. You will think of Kerala river. Am I right? So you can write that. Wall, wall, there are 2-3 things. Wall Street we know, that is the place where basically the stocks of the world, Wall Street area. Yes or no? You also know wall. Earlier, you know what were the walls? In the earlier times, the walls were of good enough breadth, and thus they were very good for insulation, for checking insulation. ना वो जल्दी गर्म होते थे, ना जल्दी ठंडे होते थे. And now thin walls are affecting observational learning आ गई. Shirt, you like cotton shirts, you want to write about it. I love cotton shirt, I love blue cotton shirt, I love white cotton, whatever you feel. You want to write it down. Now there are some people who use this to write brands. Don't try to show that you are money minded and you think of brand is your identity. No. हम लोग ब्रांडेड टाइप थॉट प्रोसेस को स्टीरियोटाइप थॉट प्रोसेस समझते हैं. हमें लगता है कि व्यक्ति की संकुचित सोच आ गई, बुद्धिमानी किनारे हो गई. The wisdom has gone back because you are thinking only of brands. You are not thinking of how to be economically wise. Next, box. If you use, black box. What is black box? It is used in planes. It is very important. It stores the entire flight records. Very important for plane. आप में से जो लोग एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, आप लोग ने एयरफोर्स के बारे में पढ़ा होगा, ब्लैक बॉक्स के बारे में जरूर पढ़ा होगा. So you can write what is wrong. Yes or no? रूम आ गया, डार्क रूम फोटोग्राफी में यूज होता है. Am I right? डार्क रूम यूज फॉर फोटोग्राफी. पहले तो यूज ही होता था डिजिटल प्रिंट आउट निकालने के लिए. Am I right? Yes or no? Yeah, bedroom is painted in light colors. Yeah, classroom is painted in white colors to keep vibrant and lively. जो भी तुम्हारा observation है लिख सकते हो. Got it? I hope I have been able to tell all of them. Is it? Yes or no? So we have covered one test completely. 60 words. Am I right? So I think this will be enough for today. and tomorrow we'll get back to you with the other set so that you can understand, explore your mind and stop becoming victim to, unnecessary fear. अगर डरोगे अपने आप को प्रकट करने में जो इतने खूबसूरत हो, सभी लोग, यू आर ऑल नाइस पीपल, यू हैव टू राइट सेंसिबल. अब वैट का तात्पर्य होता है कि एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ फ्रीली. इसका ये तात्पर्य नहीं होता कि बड़ी बातें करना, इसका ये तात्पर्य नहीं होता कि ऊट पटांग लिखना, इसका ये तात्पर्य होता है कि राइट सेंसिबली एंड क्विकली, विद डिसीजन, नॉर्मल डिसीजन एंड योर काइंड ऑफ पर्सनैलिटीज. यू डोंट हैव टू एप एनीवन, किसी की नकल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, नेगेटिविटी विचार में नहीं होनी चाहिए. हर जगह रो रहे हो, अब रोने का मौका मिल गया, एक जन मिल गया, अब आप ही सोचो. अनफॉर्चुनेटली it happens that when you get across somebody who listens to your crying, you start weeping. Why? You're a strong person. You're tomorrow planning to be an officer, so you have to be a strong person. You have to be source of strength for others, not source of weakness. इसलिए नेगेटिव वर्ड्स में रोना नहीं है, नेचुरल बात रखनी है, नॉर्मल बात करनी है. न्यूट्रल वर्ड्स में अपनी पसंद नॉर्मल चीज़ों के बारे में ऑब्जर्वेशनल पे लिखना है. पॉजिटिव वर्ड में भी अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशनल या सीख को लिखना है, पर अपने व्यक्तित्व को भूलना नहीं. यू आर अ वंडरफुल पर्सन, बी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ योरसेल्फ, बी very very happy with whatever you are, but also improve your communication, improve your expression and get selected. God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.